Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Instagram camera effect or filters not working on your iPhone. So if there is any error while loading the Instagram camera effect or filter on your Instagram and you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, you need to simply open App Store and you need to click on the search and you need to search Instagram to check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, simply click on the option of update to update it on a device. So if it helps, that's good. If it doesn't, you need to simply go back to your settings and you need to click on the option of general. So after clicking on general, click on iPhone storage. So this is the area where you will see all your iPhone storage. Now you need to simply search or you need to simply click on the Instagram option and you need to click on the option of offload app. So after uploading the app, it will free up some storage by the app and it will also help you to fix the error which is happening on the app itself. So after that, you need to simply click on the option of reinstall app to reinstall it again. So wait for it to get reinstalled. So as you can see, it is being reinstalled on my device. So now if it helps, that's good. If it doesn't, you need to simply long press on the Instagram and click on remove app. So after that, you need to click on the option of delete app. So after deleting the app, you need to simply reinstall it again from your app store and it will help you to fix the error which is happening. It will help you to fix the Instagram camera effect or filters not working on your iPhone. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.